Welcome to my off-grid adventures. I'm Frank and it is a beautiful day here in Michigan today. I'm looking forward to setting up some things on my new to me John Deere tractor. This is a 3033R made in 2023 with just about 20 hours of use on it. Really happy to have found this. It should really improve our opportunities to use and modify and improve our off-grid property here in Michigan. So today what I'm going to be doing is installing the SpeeCo quick hitch on the back here, and then I'm going to be putting on a ballast box that is from Titan, I believe, and then I'll be filling that with some small stones, and if I have any energy left, I am still recovering from COVID, but if I have any energy left after that, I'm going to try to put the snow chains on these rear tires. So I'm glad you're with me today. Come along and we'll see how this goes. All right, let's see what we've got in the SpeeCo box. I ordered this from GoodWorks Tractors. Thanks, Courtney, for all the great advice that you gave me in your videos that helped me to buy the tractor that I think is best for my use. Not a whole lot of parts in here. Hope that's a good thing. Less to assemble. Oh, those are just the free mirrors that came with it. Those are nice. All right, we'll figure that out another time. Today I want to keep working on this project. But yeah, that's all there is to this. Is the quick hitch back there. I think this is about 80 pounds, which is a lot lighter than the ballast box. I don't have anything to loosen that. This is the Titan ballast box that I got. The problem is this is really heavy. I barely got it in here by myself. Not sure what I should do to get it out, and definitely can't do what I did getting it in. It's got quite a bit of damage right here. All right, the idea here is to leave these stones, these pond pebbles that I bought at Home Depot, to leave them in the bag, because I've heard some people say that sand and small pebbles can kind of make their way through some of the gaps inside the ballast box. So that's what we're going to do. If I did my math correctly, this should hold about 10 bags, 50-pound, 40 or 50-pound bags each. It doesn't look possible. We'll see. Well, the bag idea isn't as efficient in filling the space. So I think I'm going to scrap that idea, and for the rest of them I'll cut them open and get as much weight in here as I can. That's not all of the bags, but I'm going to stop there and call that a day. All right, that's all I'm going to do today. I'm not going to tackle the tired snow chains just because this was exhausting. And first day of feeling decent at all after COVID, so I don't want to push it too much. So I'm just going to take a leisurely stroll and take a little ride in the tractor. Now that it has proper ballast, hopefully it'll get a little bit better traction too. I'm getting the rim guard installed next week, so that'll add, I don't know, something like 800 pounds or something like that more to the liquid ballast. But let's just take a little ride and enjoy ourselves.